a little more review. So this is more of me just guiding you through some activities that should help you study. So you might want to pause throughout this video to do what I'm asking you to do. And there is an activity that goes with this. So I would recommend right now writing out a set of colors for each of these color schemes. The next part of your test is very heavy on color schemes and what are in each of them. For example, don't use this one, come up with your own, but a set of colors for a complementary color scheme would be yellow, orange, and purple, blue, because they're completely opposite each other on the wheel. So go ahead and do that for the rest of these. Probably need to pause. What colors do you mix together to get each of these colors? So just put out beside them, what color do you mix together to get purple, for example? You would mix together red and blue. And as you're writing down what colors you mix together to get the color I've listed for you, I want you to be thinking if you're mixing together like two primary colors to get a secondary color, if you're mixing together a primary and a secondary and getting a tertiary, something like that. Like realize what types of colors you're mixing together to get what type of color. So probably pause me so you can do that. Here's just some statements that you need to definitely know. Cool, light colors make a room feel larger. Warm, dark colors make a room feel smaller. Usually, small rooms should be painted light colors. Usually, large rooms can handle being painted dark colors. You also need to consider how much light comes into a room because a lot of light makes a room feel brighter and bigger. Therefore, it could handle a darker color if there's a whole lot of light. If there's not a whole lot of light coming into a room, then a darker color is going to feel like really, really dark in the room. Okay, and the last topic on this video is talking about color trends. Remember, that's a factor when selecting colors. And I mentioned this one other time, but there are colors of the year that different brands of paint or different brands of companies that make colors, like Pantone does not necessarily make paint, they make colors. So each of them makes a color of the year, usually, wink. So I would like you to Google what was the Pantone color of the year in 2021, 2020, the Sherwin-Williams color of the year, 21 and 20, and the Behr color of the year in 21 and 20. And these are the answers that are going to go in your activity for today. So be sure you have that pulled up alongside looking these up.